Mr. Chair, can I solicit the opinion of this honorable chamber if what we will do with this, uh, with the provision of this ordinance kay ang akong purpose sa amendatory ordinance just to include the PNP, of which the MITSUM is already there.
Yeah.
So dili man day pwede ang MITSUM.
Delete naman.
Unsay nahitabo ngano ni siya na aprubahan of the previous members of this honorable chamber nga dili day pwede ang MITSUM.
Madam, the ordinance was being approved before the payroll was made. So gibasihan nila to naghimo sila payroll with to the ordinance nga gi-approve sila nga maka-claim. But when they referred it to the COA, it was